Did I do that right so far? I don't mind. Let me see it. Yeah, it was so far. Oh, come on, guys! Well, dang! They stepped up. I don't know, really. Happy my answer.
Yeah, they could have had a lot of points.
Kelly, I just knocked over your
Let's go. Is that yours?
Lovey. Don't you gotta love Lovey? I love Lovey. Come on, guys.
Like saying love it.
I know. The whole time the game's going, I go, Lovey.
We're gonna have a boy named Lovey.
I mean, do you think that's a nickname or is that his real name?
That's his name. Hey, I am. I named my kid. I was wondering how you messed it. That was a horrible dog.
I wish one of ours could close it.
You help him a lot.
I would never want like orange and yellow. That's nasty. How horrible. There you go. Good save. Want some milkshake?
Get the hands off of it.
I know you want some. There you go. Did they stop the game? They already did. I love you. Are you serious? They stopped the game without me. They already did. They did before the game started. On his 8th grade points. He's got 2002. 2 points. He's going to use that one. Oh, you're right. My bad. It's probably the best milkshake. I've had it to me. I know, it's like perfect. It's like... Oh, good job, Luke! Oh, be careful there. I'll be a cheerleader. They didn't want me on the team. That's the second time we've done it. That's it, Alex. Good job. Good job, Alex. I'm a cheerleader. Okay, you serious? Alex. Yeah, Alex does. He gives you 110 all the time. I know. Does he like him or something? Dang it. Come on. Make at least something. See, they're going at 44 every time. That's why they're going to 44 every time.
I thought that's what it was called.
They're my favorites.
Yeah, I did too.
But he didn't. He got it on analog, didn't he? Yeah. Yeah, cut on later. No, getting bad. That'd be cool.
I did my homework. Randy, see the rest of the problem?
All right. I can't figure. Is it plus on the box and then another plus the box, or is it plus the box minus box?
Depends on if the problem is negative or positive.
Emily, can my hand get on the camera? Something important. Thing would they both be negative?
Whatever is in front of the number.
All right.
In front of the thing below it. It's not like a specific formula. I mean, the setup is, but not the negative positive.
The whole problem is the whole problem is negative. So does that box become positive in that
Then
box?
the whole problem, then the whole underneath negative.
Okay. So what's half of 13?
Half of what? Half of what?
13.
6.5.
So what's
Now you have
square
to
it?
square it.
Say it's 13.
6 times 6
It's 12.
is 36.
6 times 6 is
6.5 times 6.5.
So what?
It's like saying 7
37?
times 6.
Would it be?
Wait, no, it's like saying, what is that saying?
What's 6? Give me Patrick. I get his name in my head and then I
These people over here, my friends, the Colts fans, bro.
Oh, well, hey. 42.225. If you times 6.5 times 6.5. So wow.
The whole time we kept
So
talking.
y'all predicted it.
And here
Are you
they
still
are.
on problem 33?
I did 6.5 times 6.5, and I got 42.9.
Okay, now write that down in both the blank boxes.
Let's go in. Oh, get it back. Got a rebound. And then I find what that is. All right, it's off. There you go. Good job, Lou. Take it on, John. That was, yeah. Woo! Good job, Chris. Oh, man. That's it? Yeah! Woo! John Morgan, that's it.
Guys, little D.
Good job, John. You can be my brother now, Carol. John? No. Stay on him, Alex. My brother away too.
Get the ball there. Good shot.
Emily, after I do that, I have to find out what times what equals that, right? It'd be 6.5.
No, you have to square it.
I already did. I get 20.
No.
That's it. Good job. Take it. Take it. Emily, I'll do the next quarter so you can do this. I mean the next, so I'll do second. That's it. Good job, Chris. I know. I'm just sorry that the kids lost. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give me some Look at Chris! Now he wants the Bears game. Way to go, Chris! Come on, Silver Lake!
Hot shirt, man. Get a rebound.
Look at the time! 15! Help it! To go! It's to go! 9!
Oh, sweet!
Yeah!
Way to go, Alex!
I got to bought that hat that they wore, your championship hat. I mean, like 15, 20 minutes later, I mean,
But I'm holding it for Super Bowl.
so
sad, I guess, too.
hopefully. Rebound! Give it to John.
There he is!
Oh, yeah! Woo! J-Rod. Justin. Jared. No, that's you. That's pretty. Yeah. Come on.
Foul, let's go.
Oh my goodness. Sarah
Timmy.
Lamb. Interesting. I looked at her Facebook the other day. Facebook.
Sarah Lanham.
Her and her boyfriend both. Like Randy. She's a picture of a boyfriend licking everyone off.
Okay.
And then she's like, this is for all you. And then she's like, da-da. And then she's like, all the ones that da-da about our relationship, da-da. And I was like, oh. Oh, no.
Hey, walk! I still haven't learned stuff. But I think the random was
Come on.
Good job, Chris. Don't break my camera. That was when, okay, look. They cut shredded pieces.
You're one in the middle. That's right.
I'll go with the middle of both of them. Get one. Oh, y'all keep leaving him open. There, Mom. Sean!
Put it up, folks.
Let's go in for him. He's got his hands all over him.
Good call.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That's it, that's it, that's it. Yeah! Good job, John. All right, Lou. I like it. I tell you, Alan, I told you that one. He's really, I can't get it. You can actually do the half correct, and then you keep it divided, and then you do the rest of your hair, and you use this. Stick. And you draw out little pieces to make it. He wants to know. He's a good player. He really, really is. Come on, Timberlake! That's it, Lou. Good job. Bruce got a lot of rebounding.
And he's wearing a hat.
Does that mean you are leaving? 34's hold it!
I know.
I never asked him on it.
Everybody on!
Number 11 did too. Oh, good job, Anthony. Oh, nice try, Chris. Okay, good look at home.
Alright, take it easy.
I don't want her to come over. I think my mom wants her to come over. I feel like she doesn't want her to come over. I never asked.
Come on, good D. Oh, man. I got lucky.
He just got a good D and all of a sudden the sea opened up.
That was weird. Oh, do something. Go in. Good job, Alex! Good job, Alex!
No!
was hilarious.
Nope.
Oh my goodness. Good job, Chris. Yes, Chris. Good job, Chris. There you go. Good job, Chris. All right. Woo!
Beat it, beat it.
Do you think you're ready for the last time that you guys are gonna have to go? I need a cough drop.
You can put it up.
Randall,
That one does.
do you need a cough drop?
All right, guys.
He played the beginning of the game.
I thought he came in for me. I thought he
That might go. I'm gonna forget it. Actually, when I get outside, I'll probably remember it.
Way to go, John.
I knew you'd open it. Stop. Something stupid. I swear to you, I have taught you well better than this.
I really just want to
No.
cover back on. You wanted.
Oh. I say that, but I really will.
You're recording now. There he is.
Oh, I don't know why I'm talking like this.
All right, good job. I thought they don't watch this thing. So Jason, if you watch this,
They turn off all the sound. They
hear
turn off all
this.
sound.
Oh, darn it. Oh. Turn it like on CPS now. I have this video camera.
That's nice.
The mine's full. Oh yeah, good job. Good try.
It's an easy rebound there.
You know, this team is 4th in the state and we're 6th, so if we beat them, it'll be a big upset.
Really? Dang it! Come on, John! Play better than this, you retard.
Let's really hope this camera doesn't look like it's down.
There you go.
Woo! That's great! Oh no, it's recording. No, I just pushed it. Dun, dun, dun. Hey Jason, you're my man. That's really how he does. He'll watch it. Good job, Chris. Put this down on. Because Jason is awesome. Go on his up. Oh, Alex. John will go underneath. It's halftime. Oh, good gracious! Dang it! Come on, John! Come on, he's trying. He shoots threes. Who is the Indian over there? Oh, come on! Come on, Andrew. I said Andrew! Oh! Where you going today? Go again. Jason. Come on, good D!
Chris, y'all play ball today?
Stay on him!
Rub up, chasing in them ones?
Grab me!
Yeah, you're running. I mean, your uncle's doing something.
Jump off! Oh yeah, I think You can't. Sorry, Jason. That was Kaylee. I'm sorry. I'm just practicing. Woo! Yeah. Well, it didn't matter. I missed it. Yeah, but I missed the whole thing with them coming down here. Well, they came down the court. It doesn't matter. I just think it's really matters. Well, it's your fault. Just kidding. Woo! Good job, John. Yeah. That's it. They're huge. I think so. Oh, John. Dude, he's on top of it. We don't have people like that. I want to do it. Because the whole floor, I can't see it. Stay on him! Stay good! Oh! Guess I got my nails. If you have nails, pass it! Take it on! Come on! killing this. Come on, stay on him. Don't let him score. I'm fine. Don't let him score. Ooh, that was a wall.
Take it, John. Take it to him. Take it to him.
I don't want to watch this. Like I said, you're the man. What about our point? They gave points. Hi, sweetie. How are you? Good. I told Mark, I said, your brother, he is a call. Jesse is, he just cats me out. Yeah, Brad! Vanessa! I tell you what, I have like 1,000 girls, you know, at one time. He's just like, you know, he's just such a call. No. Help him! Yeah. Take a backpack! No! Recording it. No, it was out on someone. Oh, I see. I missed it. They going in? They going. Yeah! Way to go, John! Stay on him! I love Aubrey! Come on, stay on him! Let's go! Can't do it without John. Yeah. But he never gets home. Typically, yeah, you're right. He stays very He used to not be like that, though. But that's part of his smart point. Help him! 40, 21's got 4. Yeah. That's it, Chris! He's over the mat! Okay, alright. What up?
You gotta play smart, Chris.
Lucky it wasn't. Oh my God! Woo! Come on, good D! Defense! There's another school we play that sounds like this.
Timberlake Christian.
There's Temple.
Temple.
No, it's not Temple. Yeah, I know about Temple. Not Temple. No, it's another school.
Covenant. New Covenant.
Sounds like, yeah, NCS.
Oh, that's where my sisters go. Both of them.
Push it up!
Go up with it, Anthony!
I'm gonna kill him.
Play smart with it.
He's running.
Come on, TCS! Take it on, Andrew. Just go.
Go!
Take it up! Go!
Help! Oh my gosh!
The loop!
Oh, yeah, that's first one. Oh, double bonus.
He's trying to come to it. All right, now no points. Let's don't give him any points.
Come on!
Take it to the basket. Take it to the basket.
They're all scared of something. Go to the basket. Look at Luke!
Yeah, guys.
You guys are the one, right? Put the pressure on. You guys are the one.
How about a foul?
They're all over him. Drop!
Oh, be there.
Come on, no score, no score.
There you go!
Dad.
I gotta play some D. Get back!
Watch it. Come on.
I say you ain't gonna block.
They're playing man to man. Yeah.
All right, TCS, let's play smart.
Like people good job.
Help him. Reach it in.
Like, dude, come on.
Keep it. Keep it.
Lost by one of these guys. We lost by at least a lot because I remember because John was in a bad mood that day.
Don't do that
Dude, that game, that made me so mad. Too bad I have to put up with it.